Hi, my name is Maggie Cooper, and I want to give you a tutorial of WordWall.net. This is an awesome new, well, I can't say it's new to me, app that I found online. My students absolutely love it, and I absolutely love it as well. All right, so with any app or program on your computer, you got to log in, create your account. You have my school, my profile page. You can edit your personal details. You can change language and show your location. Our school does not have a WordWall account, so I use my personal email to use WordWall.net. All right, so we are already home. So I'm just going to run through some of the features of WordWall.net. It has interactives and printables. Interactives are played on any web-enabled device, so you can play it on your computer, your tablet, your phone, your interactive whiteboard. You can also download and print some of the templates or games that you have created with a PDF file as a PDF file. Another feature is creating and using templates. Switching templates, which I think is a very cool feature, but I will show that to you later as I describe one of the games. As I show you one of the games, you can edit any activity. So just like with Kahoot and quizzes, if you find an activity online, you can go and edit it. You can go to your community, find the game, and then you can edit it and make it your own. You can take, add, or whatever you need to do. It has themes and options, which is pretty cool. Student assignments. You can share with other teachers, and you can embed on a website. You can embed by placing the link or the QR code. This is just a quick snapshot. Well, not a snapshot, but a quick look at the community and different games. Of course, if you type in whatever you're teaching, as I will put constants, I'm teaching world geography. This is what's going to happen for you. A lot of different games that were already created by other teachers will pop up, and you can always use any of those games. In order to create an activity, they give you several templates that you can use. You pick the template that works best for you or fits best for what you're learning or what your students are learning. And I'm just going to show you some of my activities very quickly. I always use the word searchers with my students, which they absolutely love. And I think this game is so cool because you can find the word. And then you have to go over here and find a definition, click it, or you could do it vice versa. All right, so my students absolutely love this game.